Welcome to Project Management Tool Training. This training is on ZOHO projects, and my name is MLaPlace. After selecting the project's product from ZOHO.com, you are asked to complete your registration. And when you first sign on to projects, this is the screen that opens up and gives you the opportunity to take a quick product tour. The tour is very extensive and I highly recommend that you start here. The home screen has these widgets that you can move around, and in the bottom right hand corner you'll see the Need Help button. Once you click the Need Help button, you will have access to the webinar support, the page tour, and the Learning Center. All of these are quickly accessed from the Need Help button. ZOHO Projects is a web-based project management and collaboration tool that allows you to track all of your tasks, set dependencies for those tasks, as well as start and end dates, and create milestones. It allows every user to quickly access all of the information necessary to bring the task to completion. Everything can be found from the dashboard. You can set milestones and quickly see reports and charts. There are 4 different views inside ZOHO Projects. There is the classic view where you can quickly see all of your tasks, who owns that task, the start date, the due date, the duration of the task, who it was created by, and what % of it is done. You can quickly add tasks with the Add Task button, or you can add tasks and subtasks directly beneath each of the task lists. Here in the plain view, you can get a very quick list of your tasks by due date and see who owns the task and see who's coming up and what needs to be done immediately. In the dependency view, here is where you can set all of your predecessors, and that will set up dependencies for each of your tasks. And we will show you that in a moment. The Kanban view has customizable widgets that you can move around based on your project's priorities. In all of the views in the upper right hand corner, you'll see the Add Task button. Once you click the Add Task button, the Add Task list opens up. You simply type in your task. You can click the related milestone and then hit Save. In the classic view under Tasks, you can set who the owner is, easily select start and due dates, or set the duration for each of your tasks. If you click on the task, it will open up and allow you to select with a calendar the start date for each task. Once the start date is selected, you can either select the due date or simply enter the duration in number of days, and it will automatically populate the one or the other, the date or the duration for you. Here is the duration box that pops up, and you can just enter the number of days that the task should last. While still in the tasks, you can go to the dependency view, and then in your list of tasks, each task is numbered, and you can put the predecessor number in the box in order to set the dependency for your task. Mousing over the question mark by predecessors will give you the pop-up box with the instructions on how to enter the predecessors, thereby setting and creating a dependency for that task. Once you've set dependencies for your tasks, you can get a visual Gantt chart that will give you that visual representation of all of the tasks and how they lay out chronologically within the Gantt chart. Once you have your task list, it is time to assign tasks. You simply click in the box, and all of the people who are on this project are populated into the box. Of course, in this project there is only me, so I click on me to assign the task. There is a very small settings pop-up next to each task that will allow you to view that dependency list or any other specific details about that task. The settings will also allow you the dependency list, and it will give you the entire list of all the dependencies that must happen before you can create or complete that task. As you saw in the video, you can go to the milestones to add a milestone, and simply add a milestone here. And it is easier to add a milestone and then add your tasks beneath it. However, it is possible to assign your tasks to the milestone afterwards. This is what the screen looks like when you click on Add Milestone. You can hit the start date, the end date, who is responsible, and then flag the milestone as internal or external. Under milestones, if you click your project, you can then add the task list to that milestone. If you have already entered your tasks and then would like to associate a milestone to them, it is very easy to go into the tasks under milestones and simply associate your task list to that milestone. The pop-up box will then allow you to select all of the tasks that you'd like to assign to that milestone. Here you can add all of your tasks into that particular milestone and associate all of the tasks that you need. Once you have everything associated, you can see all of your task assignments, start date, end date, and then you can see what percentage of completion is there for each of the tasks. Any issues or comments, you can see the owner, the start date, the end date, and the completed tasks and milestones. So in this project management tool training, we have learned how to create tasks, set the duration, setting the start dates and the end dates. We've added dependencies and created milestones. And as always, if you need more help, just click that Need Help button in the bottom right-hand corner and you'll be on your way with more training.